Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. One of the biggest obstacles with traveling is just the cost of the airline ticket. I used to live in a small town and only had like 2 flights out every day. So to travel anywhere overseas, you'd have to fly out and then you'd have to fly to either Denver or Salt Lake. And then from there, you'd have to go to the West Coast or the East Coast. And after that, then overseas. A flight like that can be pretty expensive, and a flight from Salt Lake to Paris looks like it costs $1,300 on Google Flights. And then a flight from Denver to Singapore, that's going to cost us $1,700, and that's for an economy class ticket. Credit cards, specifically travel credit cards, they help save you thousands of dollars on travel, whether it's either flights or hotels. When you put your spending on a credit card, you're going to earn points, and these points can be used to redeem for travel. You can earn points with a specific airline like American Airlines or Delta, for example, or you can earn points that can be transferred to a list of different airlines. American Express membership reward points can be transferred out to 17 different airlines, and then Chase Ultimate Reward points can be transferred out to 11 different airlines. It's pretty easy to earn enough points to fly economy class internationally. Flights from Atlanta to Paris using United can be as low as 30,000 United miles. You are going to have to pay $5.60 in taxes and fees, but that's pretty reasonable here. Now, the real power of credit card points is the ability to fly business and first class internationally. Flying from the United States to Tokyo on ANA business class, that would usually cost about $6,000. But you could book the same ticket using American Express membership reward points, transfer those to ANA, and book a round-trip business class ticket for only 75,000 points. And 75,000 points isn't a big number. It's very achievable for most people, and you can get that with a single sign-up bonus. And if Asia isn't your style and you'd rather go to Europe, you can fly from the United States to Madrid using Iberia Airlines business class for 68,000 points. That ticket would probably cost you about $5,000. I know most people aren't going to want to spend multiple thousands of dollars on a business class ticket that only lasts, 12 hours or so. So credit cards and credit card points give the average person the ability to have these once-in-a-lifetime experiences flying business class and first class, things that you wouldn't be able to do otherwise. Now, the way we save so much money on airlines, same applies to hotels, because hotel chains like Hyatt, Hilton, and Marriott have partnered up with the credit card companies, and they all have their own co-branded credit cards. And these cards offer a lot of those same kind of benefits like elevated status and earning these loyalty points that can be redeemed for hotel stays, just like you could with airlines. You usually have to stay at a hotel chain at least 30 or 40 nights a year to earn a meaningful loyalty status. But with these co-branded credit cards, they can give you status automatically. And loyalty status is going to earn you things like lounge access. That's when you stay at a hotel and you can go up to the lounge, you can have snacks or have free drinks, even alcoholic drinks, all complimentary because of the status. You could also get complimentary room upgrades. So when you book a standard room, they want to help you out a bit if you have enough status and maybe bump you up to a nicer room, sometimes even a suite. These upgrades can be double the price of the normal room that you bought in the first place. And a lot of these cards will give you a free night stay at the hotel chain just for having the card. One of the most famous hotels that you can book with hotel points is the Waldorf Astoria in Maldives. This hotel can cost $2,000 a night. You're going to have a nice overwater villa with your own pool over the ocean in the Maldives, and you can book these rooms using points, only 120,000 Hilton Honors points per night. Now, you still need to fly to the hotel and pay for food options there, which would probably cost over $100 a meal, but you'd still save so much money on this experience. Here's another one. This one's a Hyatt property, the Alila Villas Uluwatu. This property is in Bali, has an amazing cliffside property overlooking the ocean, and usually runs about $800. Right now it looks like it's $873 a night. But you could book this using Hyatt points for only 30,000 points a night. Or maybe you want to go to Australia, check out the Park Hyatt in Sydney. This property has a view of the Sydney Opera House. This hotel costs $929 a night, but you could book it with only 40,000 Hyatt points. And this is one of the best Hyatt properties in the world. With all this talk about all these points and staying at nice places, how do we earn these points? The easiest way to get these points is with credit card sign-up bonuses. Sign-up bonuses are the incentive that credit cards give you to sign up for the new credit card. And these incentives can be valued at $1,000 or more in benefits. And usually you need to spend about $4,000 in the first 3 months of the card to earn that sign-up bonus. And if you strategize it and think about your spending a little bit beforehand, you should be able to do this by making strategic purchases and then making all your spending on the card. One of the most popular travel credit cards is the Chase Sapphire Preferred because it gives you the ability to earn those points and transfer them out to airlines and hotels. Right now, the Chase Sapphire Preferred has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 ultimate reward points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. You take those points and transfer them out to 11 airline partners or 3 hotels. And one of those hotel partners is Hyatt, like we were talking earlier. And those 60,000 points, we could stay at the Alila Villas Uluwatu 2 nights with that many points. That would give this sign-up bonus a value of $1,600. Or if you wanted to stay at the Park Hyatt in Sydney, we could stay for 1 night and still have 20,000 points left over. The Hilton Surpass and the Hilton Aspire by American Express, they both have sign-up bonuses of 150,000 Hilton points. That's enough points to stay at the Waldorf Astoria in Maldives for 1 night, but the Aspire card also gives you a free night certificate that can be redeemed to stay at the Waldorf Astoria for a 2nd night. And the Surpass card will give you a free night certificate after spending $15,000 on the card, so that'd give you a 2nd night at the Waldorf Astoria too. Then there's the American Express Gold Card. That has a sign-up bonus of 75,000 American Express membership reward points after spending $4,000 in 6 months. And that's exactly how much we need to take that round-trip ticket, business class on ANA to Tokyo and back. And besides the sign-up bonus, you're going to earn points when spending on the card. The American Express Gold Card is a point-earning machine because it earns 4x on groceries and 4x at dining at restaurants. The average household spends $5,000 a year on groceries, so there's 20,000 more American Express membership reward points, and then another $2,000 a year on dining, so there's another 8,000 points for you. That's 28,000 membership reward points without doing anything extra, just putting the spending that you'd otherwise do as normal, but you put that on the card. And then besides that, there's all kinds of different cards to maximize the points earned on different categories like gas stations, Walmart, Amazon, or department stores. So whether you want to travel more often or take these once-in-a-lifetime trips, credit cards can help you do that. If you want to know more about the benefits of using credit cards, whether it's for travel, cashback, or what credit card's right for you, that's what my channel is all about. So really appreciate thumbs up if you're still watching. I really appreciate you subscribing to the channel. Then I'll put some links over here somewhere for you that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy. And then I'll see you in the next video, all right? Justin out.